So, the update that I wanted to talk about is that we're getting some work done in the house. So, we've had this project that we've been going back and forth with. It's gonna get completed eventually, but what we were gonna do is we turned one of the extra bedrooms into our walk-in closet. So it's a bedroom that's right next to the bedroom that's gonna be our main bedroom. And we started working on it. We actually started building it, building out the frames for the closet and all that. And then life happened. And so we kind of slowed down in that progress process, whatever the case is. But anyways, but it's kind of good that we did, because then we were able to brainstorm more ideas of what we want to do. So that delayed time made us think, okay, we have one working bathroom. The house was supposed to have 2 bathrooms, but it wasn't a real bathroom, so that's whatever. So originally we were gonna say, okay, we're gonna take some extra space from that second bedroom and turn it into a powder room. Powder room, half bath, same thing. Then we're like, why don't we just make it a full bathroom so that the guests don't have to go downstairs in the basement, because that's where the second bathroom was. To use the bathroom, there'll be one on the main floor next to the actual guest bedroom. And then, sitting on that idea, so we were gonna turn the main bathroom into our ensuite, and then this of the bathroom would be the main bathroom. But then we were looking at the space, and then we were like, you know what? Why don't we just turn the guest bathroom into our ensuite, since it's directly next to our bedroom, and it would be bigger than our current bathroom, so we can actually go all out in it. So that's the work that's gonna get started today. So they're coming to start the framing for our ensuite bathroom, and I'm very excited about it. So this is a sneak peek of what's going on. So we originally had ripped up the flooring, because this is where the original guest bathroom would have been. So we had ripped up the floor, because you need tile on the floor. So now it's going to extend all the way back to this wall. And to give you some backstory, so over there was the closet for our bedroom, which is over there. And over here was the closet for the actual bedroom that was over here. So I'll give you a little walkthrough. So this is some of the progress of our closet, our master closet. So it's coming together. There's really no rush, but this is where the closet's gonna be. It was originally gonna be this entire space of here, and then this would have just been the walk-through into the closet. But now it's gonna be where there's gonna be a shower over there, and then the wall is gonna come closer. There's gonna be a door here. The toilet's gonna be over here. And then the vanity is gonna be right here. So of course, there's gonna be a wall that covers that, and then there's gonna be a door around there to enter into the actual closet. So it's gonna have a door from our bedroom to the bathroom, and then from the bathroom to the closet. So I am very excited about that. And another thing that we're actually excited about this, it's gonna be a little accent piece. Our chimney, it's not a real chimney because we don't have a fireplace. I think it's called the flume or whatever it's called, but this is gonna be exposed, and it's gonna be, all fancied up with the trim and all that stuff. So I'm excited about all this that's gonna happen. So I will keep you guys posted. So yeah, so that is the update of what's gonna happen. So framing starts today, so who knows when this bathroom is gonna be finished. And I am rocking my satin line turban from Zen and Thrifty. You should guys get yours. You should get yours on her website, zenandthrifty.com. It's so cute.